Dear Zeelancer, once you have created your store and completed its configuration on the ZeeLance platform, you can log into your account. Click on Login, enter your username and password, and press the Login button. From the home dashboard, click on Manage My Digital Space. You will be redirected to the section where all of your reserved slots are located. Please note, to add products to your store, you must first convert your ZeeLance personal account into a business account. To do this, click on Role Management. You will see multiple role options. Select Admin as your role and click the Done button. The system will prompt you with an alert to log out and log back in for the changes to take effect. Click Log Out. This will make your account log out and you can log in it again from Login section with your username and password. After logging in, you will notice two new features on your dashboard. At the top, a Connected Business option will appear. Click on the logo or business name to preview the store currently connected to your account. You can connect or disconnect at any time to manage multiple stores from the same account. An ERP Center will also appear for that connected business. Click on ERP Center to access the business management options. From here, go to Inventory Management. Since you haven't added any products yet, the inventory will appear empty. Click on the plus icon at the top right corner to add a new product. Enter your product name. Select the product category from your store categories. Next, either scan the barcode with a barcode scanner or enter it manually. If your product does not have a barcode, enter 0. The ZeeLance system will automatically generate one for you. Now enter the selling price, the price at which you will sell the product. Then enter the threshold price. Remember, the threshold price must always be lower than the selling price. This feature alerts the seller if the price drops below the set threshold, helping to prevent business losses. Keep in mind, the threshold price only applies to in-store sales through the point of sale system, POS. It does not affect your online store. You may also enter product expiry date. If your product has no expiry, simply select yesterday's date to automatically extend the expiry 20 years into the future. Add a flash discount if you are running a special promotion on this product. Enter the sales tax. This applies only to in-store POS sales. For your online store, tax is calculated based on the location, tax, and shipping logics you configured earlier. Now enter the product details in the About section and the full product description in the Description section. Once all fields are complete, click the Done button. You will see an alert. Your product has been added successfully. Note, add at least one size and one image, image 1. Otherwise, your product will not appear in your online store. Click OK, then click on the first image slot to upload a product image. Select the image from your device. Choose the color of the product shown in the image and upload it. You can upload up to 8 images and assign 8 colors for a single product. Remember, uploading image 1 with its assigned color is mandatory. After uploading images and assigning colors, click on Update Size. Here you will see 8 boxes, one for each size. You can add up to 8 sizes for your product, for example XL, XXL, 38, 39, and so on. Once done, click the Done button. Once done, you can focus on Stock Sold Items Quantity Update. Click on Update Stock button if you have enabled stock and inventory control from your store configuration settings. Be aware, if inventory control or stock-linked orders are enabled and your stock runs out, the system will automatically stop accepting new orders since it tracks inventory with each order. To continue stock update, click the Done button. If you are not using stock-linked billing or invoices, you can ignore this section. The most important thing to note here is that if your product requires different tax or shipping costs and rules, click on Set Custom Shipping/Tax to make changes for this specific product only. Here, you can set customized tax and shipping costs as well as define shipping rules for this product. Furthermore, if you want to revert to your store's default logistics for shipping and tax, you can easily switch it back to the default values. After completing these steps, go to your store and refresh the page to view your newly uploaded product in the selected category. From there, your customers can order the product directly from your store. They can buy it immediately or add it to their cart for later purchase. Customers or even you can copy and share the product link with anyone on social media for advertising purposes. Customers can also click on View Detail to see the complete product information on your store. In the same way, you can add multiple products under specific categories in your store, making your business accessible to customers anywhere in the world.